In this video we are going to create a text field in Flutter. So I've already created a body which has a new column widget in which we are going to create multiple child. So the first child or the first widget that we are going to create is a text field widget. Now let's create a new text field. Now this text field has many different properties, but we are going to focus on only basic three main properties, which are on change, on submit, and some decoration. So on changed, what we want is we want the value of text field to be changed in another text. So let's provide one more text, new text, not text field, actually text, and let's provide a string variable which is ptext. What we want is we want the text value to be in ptext. So in onChange, let's create a function. Now this function takes a string, so let's provide a string txt, and in this let's create a set state. Now this set state, what we want is we want to set the value of txt into ptext. So we will write here ptext is equal to txt, and let's restart our app. Now as you can see, we have successfully created a text field. So if I type any value in the text field, it gets reflected in the text. But what if I want the value of text field to be only changed on submitted? So on submitted, now let's run our app. Now the value will only be submitted only when we press submit. So let's provide a value, let's provide any string and value, and let's press submit. Now as you can see, the value is now reflected in the text. So these are the two properties, action properties. Now the next property that we are going to talk about is the decoration property. Now in decoration, you can provide a label, you can provide a placeholder, and you can provide many things. So the first thing that we are going to create is a placeholder for the text field using new input decoration hint text, which takes a string, and let's provide type something, and let's restart our app. So as you can see, we have successfully created a placeholder. Similarly, you can also provide a label text, which also takes a string. Let's say full name, and as you can see, the label has been created. This label can also be styled, and when you press on the text field, the labels goes at the top left corner, and the label also gets strings. Similarly, there are many other properties like max length, then max length enforced, keyboard type, which type of keyboard do you want? Do you want a numeric keyboard, or you want an alphabetic keyboard, text align, auto correction, and many others. But for right now, this is how you create a basic text field in Flutter.